Hello guys, this is Saiful Islam. Welcome to my programming C tutorial series. In this tutorial series, I'll discuss about something uh, theoretically. Before we start C programming, we should know some theoretical knowledge. We should learn something. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we should know what is variable. Variable is a variable are simple names used to refer to some location in memory. Okay, a location that holds a value with which we are working. It may help to think of variables as a placeholder for a value. A simple things, variable like a container. Okay, container can container like a water tank. Okay, water tank, what we think like this, the glass water or glass, it's a very small water bottle, water tank, different, right? The tank is variable, it can contain water. Glass is variable, it can contain water, small water, big water. And the bottle it also we can drink water by bottle, right? Bottle is a variable. Okay, the variable declaration in programming C, there is a different between the real life or in programming. Okay, that's the different between the real life and program. In our programming C, in our programming we will use the data. You will understand that the data means the value. Okay, the I want to put some value like 1 2 3. I have to need a little type of data. Okay, little type of variable that calls integer. Okay, it's called data type. And after data type, we should define what type of data I'm going to use for this variable. Before define, before set value, we should define it. Okay, say for example, we can see the int a. This is the declaration, variable declaration. In char name, a character, variable type is character, name means we just will contain only one character. Okay, float means float sum. Okay, this is the way of variable declaration in programming C. Okay, next is what is data type. Now we discuss the data type, variable name. Okay, data type, variable name equal to value. Let's get start to know what is the data type. The data type is C programming. Data types are defined as a data storage format. Okay, it's a big data or small data, it's a fraction or non integer type. Okay, it's defined as a data storage format that a variable can store a data to perform a specific operation. Okay, data type are used to define a variable before use in a program. Very simple. See example, int a equal to simple integer value. Okay, float sum equal to, I use here fraction value, right? Float contain the fraction value, double contain the big data. Okay, the big value. And also character contain a character, only a character. That is the very, if we think very simple, then all thing is very simple. If we think hardly, then it will be hard. Okay, simply think variable is like a container and data type is the position, I mean the size. Okay, data type is a size, the container size, how long, how big, how small. Okay, the size of called data type, and the container is a variable. Very simple. Okay, next, the kind of data type. There are three types of data. Okay, there are three types of data. User defined data, user can define their own data type. There are user defined data is a structure, union, enumeration, class. Number two, built-in data type. Built-in data type, the character, integer, floating, double. Previous I discussed about the character, integer, float, double. Now you can see the character data can contain 1 byte. Okay, integer contain 2 bytes, float contain 3 bytes, double 4 bytes. Okay, we said you can see 1 byte equal to 8 bit. Okay, 1 kilobyte equal to 1024 bytes, 1 MB equal to 1024 kb, 1 GB equal to, I know that you all know about this. Okay, number 3, derived data type. Derived data type, it can use like array, function, pointer, reference. It is lots of derived data type. Okay, before start programming C, we should know all of things about variable data type. We need to clear concept about all of things. I hope that everybody will enjoy this video. Thank you very much. Next tutorial I'll discuss about the token.